All right, so this project was all about my design and thinking process. I wanted to give you a look into my mind. That's where that sketchbook came into play. I've been doing lots of doodles and sketches throughout my entire life, and I like to capture those in something that I can kind of look through over the years and say, oh, I remember that thing, I should try and go make it. Well, that's what this project was about. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you liked it, smash that thumbs up button for me. I'd appreciate it. 'Cause sometimes you have wonderful ideas, or you think they're wonderful, till you actually make them. What happened was, when I made this product as a final, and it's not really final, just as a prototype, I realized two things. The first thing is that it's a little unstable. There needs to be some better support structure around the baby gym. Number two is that you would never really use pins to lock everything in place. It sounded like a good idea, thought like a good idea when I sketched it all out, but when you actually make it, it's a choking hazard for your child. So again, that's why this is a prototype, and these are things that I love to make and build. I am made to create, and if you like making and creating things, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, because this is the channel for you. All right, well, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this project. Post in the comments below. Until next time, I'll see you later.